pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Teresa Josie. I'm from Plus 2 BioB. Mathematics is a science and study of quality, change, and structure. Mathematics is used throughout the world as an essential tool in many fields involving natural science, engineering, medicine, and medical sciences. Today, we are going to discuss about pi, which is used in many mathematical equations.
What is pi? Let's assume we are asked to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. So we draw a circle like this. The length of this red thing will be the perimeter. And we have a special name for the perimeter of a circle. It is called the circumference. This length will be the circumference and it measures 18.85 centimeters. The next thing we need to find out is the diameter of the circle. The diameter of the circle is twice its radius. Hence, the diameter will be 2 multiplied by 3, which equals 6 centimeters. Now, we have been asked to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. It will be slightly bigger than the previous one. This red boundary will be the circumference. This time too, we measure the circumference. For this circle, we get the circumference as 25.1 centimeters. And the diameter will be twice its radius, which equals 8 centimeters. We looked at two different cases here. One circle with 3 as a radius and another with 4 as a radius. In both cases, we calculated the circumference and the diameter. Let's zoom out and find the ratio of circumference by diameter in each case. If we calculate the value of circumference by diameter in the first case, we will approximately get it as 3.14. And guess what? In the second case too, we get the value of circumference by diameter as approximately 3.14. No matter what circle you look at, the value of circumference by diameter will always be equal to 3.14. This value is pi. Remember, both this value are approximations. Now, let's zoom out and deduce a formula for the circumference. As the circumference by diameter equals pi, we can say that the circumference of a circle equals pi multiplied by the diameter. If we call the diameter d, then the formula can be written as pi multiplied by d, which can also be written as pi multiplied by 2r, because the diameter is twice the radius. So the circumference of a circle is written as 2 pi r. All we did is write this product a bit differently. This is a very important formula as it gives us the value of circumference even if you just have the radius of the circle. There's another important thing about the special constant pi. We get the same value if we divide 22 by 7. So the value of pi approximately equals to 3.14 or 22 by 7. But why do we use the symbol for pi? What is the symbol? Pi is actually the 16th letter of the Greek alphabet. But the question still remains, why the 16th letter? We just saw that pi has got something to do with the perimeter or the circumference of the circle. Let's use Google Translate to see the Greek equivalent of perimeter. As we can see, the first letter of the Greek word is pi. Let's try a couple of more words related to perimeter. How about periphery? The first letter is still pi. Let's try circumference. The first letter, as all of us can see, is still pi. That's probably why the symbol was used to denote pi. Anyway, don't forget the important point. Pi is the circumference of the circle divided by its diameter. So it is the ratio of the circumference to diameter. Based on the formula, if the diameter of the circle is 1 unit, then its circumference will be equal to pi units. If we have a circle like this, the diameter equal to 1 unit, then the length of this boundary will be pi, with approximately 3.14 units.
By this, we come to the end of the video by understanding that mathematics is used throughout the world and it has improved many problem skills of many students. Thank you and have a great day.